Here are 3 ways to make your colors pop in just one click using Adobe Photoshop. First, Photoshop filters. Open your photo. Navigate to Filter, Camera Raw. Find the white balance panel and grab the dropper. Tap the bright elements that's supposed to be white. Clouds, flowers, shirts, and so on. If you catch this error, just try another bright spot. Hold down the left mouse button and select a bright area to process and find an excellent balance. Here is the result that we spent less than a minute on. The difference is enormous. Second, neural filters. Start with importing your photo. I'll go with the previous one just to compare 2 methods more precisely. Navigate to Filter, Neural Filters. Scroll down a bit and choose Colorize. Adjust the color settings to match your tone. Here's the result. And here's the previous one. Write in the comments which one you like more. Third, Auto Curves. Go to the Create panel, click Curves. Then, click Extra Settings and select Auto Options. You'll find plenty of options there. Check everything out, but monochromatic contrast with neural midtones works best. In the final version, we see that there is a contrast that helps direct the viewer's attention to one point. Click the link in the description to learn more about color grading.